I got a little bike stand. It's going to mount to the wall, and got it off Amazon. Of course, it comes from Cycling for Less. Actually, it comes from China. Let's see. So their packaging is very minimal. There's no padding except for what's wrapped around the jaws and the bracket there. So let me get this thing mounted up. Let's take a look at it, see how it functions. That's really what matters. This is everything that's in the box. You might notice there's no paper, no instructions, but that's okay. Looks pretty simple. You got two mounting brackets, probably one for a high position, one for a low position, and the rest of this stuff is just going to screw together, even with the tools it comes with. So it's awesome. So let's get it on the wall. This looks pretty easy to set up. What I did was I picked the bike up and marked a spot on the wall where I really wanted the clamp to be in relation to the height of the bike, and marked that. Then I held this part of the bar at that level to get my orientation or placement for the bracket. It comes with two brackets, so you can have one high, one low, maybe one for seat post mounting, one for frame mounting, one on the other side of the shop, whatever you want to do. So once you've got it secured to the wall, all you do is slide this down. It locks right into place. Now, unlock this, just a quarter turn, spin it to the position where the key is at the top, lock it back down. The keyway that slides inside of here in this slot on the bar is actually on the part of the clamp where the handle is, where the locking clamp is. Just line that up, slide it on there, seat it fully, then you tighten all your hardware down. That's it, you're ready to rock and roll. Once you get everything tightened down, you can position the clamp wherever you want it. Seat post, frame mounting, lock it right back down wherever you want it. It's pretty cool. Let's put a bike in it. Clamp adjustments are made with this wing nut here. Everything seems real simple. Opened it, close it on there. If it's too loose, you tighten it. Like I said before, you just, wherever you want this thing, just position it wherever you want it. These teeth lock into place. And it's rock solid. I mean, it's not going anywhere. Of course, mounting the bike is very simple. Once you've got your clamp adjusted to the size of the seat post or a frame, that's it. It's rock solid. Just make sure all your hardware is tight and you're ready to adjust. Thanks for watching. For less than 40 bucks, you got a good maintenance stand, I believe. We'll see how the plastic holds out. Anything goes awry, I will let you know.